How do I properly cut pre-existing kitchen backsplash tile for new low-voltage wall plates? I'm doing a little bit of kitchen remodeling, overflow from my home theater remodeling. I'm adding some RCA input ports to a pre-existing low-voltage wall plate that previously hosted just Cat5 and RG6. Problem is, when this plate was first installed before I was here, enough room was made only for the Cat5 and RG6 aligned vertically. How do I properly cut the pre-existing backsplash tile, and how do I fix the damage I've already caused? Question from user Paul Hazen at Stack Exchange. Answer: what would probably work best for cutting tile that has already been placed would be a quality oscillating tool with a diamond blade. You probably wouldn't want to use a carbide blade for tile or grout as it will get chewed up and damaged very quickly. Note: unless you are purposely trying to destroy an entire piece, it is never a good idea to chisel any type of glass or ceramic, as you have already found out. Answer from user Maple Shaft at Stack Exchange.